Good morning everyone. In the last class we have discussed about vegetable carving. With that we have completed our first lesson, that is our food. So now we are going to learn about second lesson, playing with magnets. You know magnets, no? Magnet means any substance which attracts other substance, other objects. What are that objects? Whether it will attract all the objects or only special category objects they will attract, that we will see. And in your office, you know, pin holder will be there in our office, where it will be attracting pins to its mouth. Yes, this is pin holder. So why it is attracting only to its cap, and why it is attracting pins? Because its cap is having a small magnet, and that magnet is attracting the pins. And we also have almaras in our houses. So almaras, for that we will be keeping small metal stickers. They will attract these metal stickers because this metal sticker is having one small magnet. That's why they will attract to the almara. And let us do a small experiment. Let us take some of the objects like pin, jump clip, that means a small clip, and nails. These are one category, and second category are paper, pencil, eraser. So these three substances first pass through the pin holder, then all these pin, jump clip, nails will attract to the cap. But if these three substances, if you pass through pin holder, these three will not be attracted by the pin holder. So only some substances are attracted by the pin holder's cap, other substances are not attracted. So only particular type of materials are attracted. What are that particular materials? That everything we will be seeing in further classes. So what is actually a magnet? What material is there in magnet? For that a small story is there, that also we will see in the further classes. But now write one important point, that is neodymium. This is the strongest magnet. So we have seen about magnet. Magnet means which attract other objects. In our office we have one pin holder. For the cap, all pins will be attracted because the cap is having magnet. And our almara, for that also small metallic stickers we will keep, they will be attracted because of small magnet in them. And we have taken two different categories of objects. First category like pin, jump clips, nails attracted to the cap of pin holder, but the second category didn't attract. That means we have understood from this activity that only particular materials are attracted to the magnet, and certain materials are not attracted. And the most important point is neodymium. It is one of the strongest magnet, neodymium. Okay, this is the class for today. Thank you.